Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to try to make nira manju. Nira manju mean like nira meat, Chinese chive, and manju mean like dumpling. Kind of like a gyoza, but usually manju mean like a round, like this size, you know. So I'm just trying to make gyoza skin and wrapped with ground meat and Chinese chive, which Japanese people call nira, and long leek we call naganegi, and ginger and garlic. And then I'm just using seasoning, pepper and sesame oil, and shirodashi white soy sauce, and the chicken soup pot. And I'm just wrapped in shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, ginger and garlic together. Pepper, shirodashi, white soy sauce, chicken soup powder. Yes. Sesame oil. And mix up. Okay, let me check this one piece. How inside? Mm. Mm. Mm.